Hello, I am Anuradha Tripathi. I would like to ask some questions.
Okay.
Why are you so emotionally attached to Bundelkhand?
Our ancestors came 1000 years before and settled down in this area. Number two, whenever there has been social evolution or a social transition, this land has played the role of a catalyst. Number three, if you look at this image, this is the person and his heart, and you have Mother India and her heart. So Bundelkhand is exactly in the geographical location corresponding to the heart of a person. So it's more of a Hriday Pradesh than Bundelkhand. Swami Vivekananda used to say that whenever your brain and your heart comes into conflict, always listen to your heart. Finally, I'm sad that this is one of the most backward areas in this country. I feel that a doctor goes to a place where more people are sick, unhealthy for various reasons, and offers treatment. And that is why I have come to this place, to my ancestral place, to offer varied solutions, knowledge solutions.
Why is it culturally advanced according to you?
Despite being a poor and backward place, this place is culturally more advanced, because if you see the in different corners of this country, whenever a girl child is born, she is immediately tortured and put to death, right? And the girl child is treated as a burden. But it is only in this area that whenever a girl is born, she is treated as a gift of God. Even a father touches the feet and seeks blessing newborn girl child. They say that the Lakshmi has come to their house, so it's not treated as a burden. So wherever the people respect their women, that place is bound to be culturally advanced. That's my logic.
How did this term Bundelkhand originate?
Term Bundelkhand has originated because for some time the Bundela Rajputs were ruling this area. I don't appreciate that name anymore.
What changes would you like to bring in Bundelkhand?
See, the first thing is we need to change the nomenclature. Every name, word, or image has got some vibrations associated with it. And currently, the vibrations are very negative and toxic. We need to bring in positive vibrations in this area. We want this place to develop on an economic level, the education level, and the healthcare sector has to evolve, the governance has to evolve. So what I'll suggest is, let's begin with changing the name from Bundelkhand to Hriday Pradesh.
Why is Bundelkhand a backward state?
According to me, Bundelkhand is backward because of two primary reasons. A, we don't have strong leadership in this area. And secondly, in the parliament, we don't have a very strong representation. Because of these two factors, this area is backward. Third reason I feel is this area lacks a culture of team spirit. There are internal fights among people as to who is superior, which community is superior to another. Unless we have team building culture, unless we learn to work as a team, it will be difficult to become economically advanced.
What can we do?
As I said, we need to have a very strong leadership in this area. We need a very strong representation at the central level, at the parliament level, get the policies, the budgets that gets cleared. It does not come and benefit the local people over here. We need to make people aware of their rights and responsibilities. We need to focus on the education sector, health sector, and governance sector. We can implement knowledge management, total quality management, process excellence framework for this area. I think these are some of the initiatives that we need to take.
Would you like to make any suggestion?
Okay. See, since we are on the name changing spree, we would like to change the name of Bundelkhand to Hriday Pradesh. I would also suggest making the name change for Jhansi. Now, what are the historical roots for this origin of the term Jhansi? So there were two kings, king of Orchha and his friend, the king of Jaipur. Both of them were discussing with each other, and that time the city Jhansi was not fully completed. So he said, I am building a new city, and just have a look, and what do you see? How do you find it? So that day, in the typical Bundelkhandi language, he said, Jhansi ghai lag rahi. Because the suggestion had come from a fellow king who was also his friend, so out of respect, love, he gave the name Jhansi to this place. In the period of time, Jhansi became Jhansi. Now, this word does not inspire confidence, it does not inspire motivation, it's not an inspiring word. Jhansi means cloudy, misty, not clear. Are we the people who don't have a clear vision? Are we the people who don't have clear working principles, guidelines in our lives? Are we the people who lack clarity in our work approach, in our studies, in our family structure? I don't think so. So what I'll suggest is change the name of Jhansi to Hriday Nagari. This is one of the suggestions.
Thank you.